Welcome to Tiny Me TV. Today we're learning the 8 parts of speech. The 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. A noun refers to a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. For example, I love dogs, but I hate cats. He hung the picture on the wall. I bought a laptop for $500 last week. Pronoun. Pronoun replaces a noun. To avoid repetition. For example, I, you, we, me, us. He, she, them. Him, this, those, her. These are all pronouns we use to replace a noun. Here's a few examples. Brenda is hungry. She wants to eat now. The book on the table is mine. He is not only a genius, but a well-educated person. Adjective. Adjective describes, modifies, or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, happy, purple, cold, lazy. Adorable, easy, giant, famous. All of these are examples of adjectives you can use in your sentences. Here's a few more examples. My mother is taller than. My brother. My dog has blue eyes and fluffy skin. Mika is an adorable baby. Verb. A verb shows on, action or state of being. For example, have, walk, like play. Listen, jump, go, snore. Run, eat. She plays the trumpet. I studied for long hours. At night, therefore I got high. Marks for my final exam. They had been looking for you for hours. Adverb. A adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how often, where, or when. Adverb often end in -il, y. For example, slowly, quietly, sharply, weakly. Easily, very, always, too, well. Tomorrow, here. Yesterday, I walked to school. Quickly. The manager accepted the challenge. Very nicely. My sister wrote that willingly. Preposition. Preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. They can indicate time, place, or relationship. For example, in, on, at, from, with, near, between, about, under, behind. Here's a few more examples. I left my homework on the bus. There is a cat under the table. I have wonderful news for you. Conjunction. Conjunction joins two words, ideas, or phrases together in a sentence and shows how they are connected. For example, for and or, but yet, so, because, unless. Here's a few more examples. I was exhausted, but I still finished the race. Terrell fell asleep, so Jaden just went home. Brittany started yoga because she wanted to learn how to relax. Interjection. Interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a strong feeling or emotion. It is a short exclamation. For example, ouch, well, oh, oops, wow. Oh, you should have seen the rainbow. Good. Now we can start a new beginning. Congratulations. You have a baby girl. Thanks for tuning in with Tiny Me TV. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye.